In this video, we're going to do the Khan Academy Challenge Brown Bear Eyes. So in this challenge, it's kind of similar to some other things that we've worked with and seen. Is basically we have several shapes that are making the face of some character, in this case a brown bear. And really the idea is that when you're coding something like this, you would really want it to, number one, all of the shapes to stay connected to each other the same distance. And then so if it moves around the page, then it all stays together. And you also want them to stay in the same size proportion to each other. And so it's a lot easier to do that if you add some math to your variables to keep their proportions the same, instead of hard coding every single number on the page here. So for first of all, just for examples, what they want us to do is they want us to change the values for X and Y here to see what it looks like. So let's just go ahead and do that. So if I move it left or right, the eyes don't get to come with it. If I move it up or down, again, the eyes are not moving with the face. And then if I change the face size, then the eyes are not getting bigger or smaller. So basically, with the coding they're going to have me do next, we're going to fix all that. So next step. And what they want us to do is to create a new variable to store the eye size and set it equal to face size divided by 8, because it needs to be 1/8. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to say, let's go down here. Let's say eye size equals face size divided by 8 semicolon. Okay. And then I need to replace the values of 20s in the ellipse statement with the eyes, for the eyes with the name of the new variable. So I need to scroll down, and here are my eyes. So I need to put this eye size in where all these 20s are. All right. Eye size is not defined. I don't know what it's talking about there. Oh, I did it again. See, I'm always doing this. I forget to type my var. Hey, that makes it better. All right, so that's that. Next step. And so in this case, we need to make the left eye stay 1/4 of the size of the face to the left of the X. So to do that, we need to replace the value 160 with X minus face size divided by 4. So this one right here. So X minus face size divided by 4. Okay. And then go to the next step. And then I need to do this 240 right here. I need to replace that with X plus face size divided by 4. Okay. So that is, that's helping to keep them in proportion. So what that's doing is it's working on the X. So if I come up here and I change X, they're gonna stay the same. The eyes are in the right place, right to left, but they're still not in the right place, up and down. So that's what we're gonna fix next. So to make it so that the eyes are always 1/8 the size away from the face above Y, do the following. So replace the 180 with Y face size divided by 8. So I'm going to come to 180. I need to put Y minus face size divided by 8. Y minus face size divided by 8. Alright, that's great. Next step. And now we've done all the hard work to change it, and it says to move the bear to the bottom left corner and make it really big. So these are what are controlling those numbers right here. So for this, I want to, it's already pretty far to the left. I want to move this, move the bear's face all the way down to the bottom, and then I want to make it really big. And so now you can see that everything in here is keeping the same proportions. And the face is all, it's basically, it's staying together like it should be, even when I change these variables up here. So that is that.